Struggling with spotty internet at your job site? Let's fix that. Picture this, your crew deep in the woods but connected like they're in the heart of the city. That's what Impress IT Solutions delivers. We set up Starlink satellite internet and Cradlepoint solutions. So your construction sites have high-speed, secure connectivity no matter how remote. Imagine real-time data access, seamless communication, and zero delays. Starlink brings high-speed satellite internet to the most isolated locations. Cradlepoint ensures your trailers and temporary offices are fully functional with mobile LTE or 5G connectivity. And with our VPN tunnels, your field team is securely linked to HQ, sharing files and updates in real time. Choose Impress IT Solutions for expert, reliable, and scalable internet setup at any job site. Keep your projects on track and your team in sync. Contact Impress IT Solutions today because every construction site deserves great internet.